After having stopped with the never-ending rat race of following all the newest, greatest Kickstarters and selling them, the ones that I didn't play, I discovered some nice board games that I had for quite some time, several years in fact. So here is Forestaurant, a forest and a restaurant, and here are the cute animals. This is so long ago that I don't remember what this game was about. So this will be a blind unboxing first of a game that I already had for years. Okay, let's see what's in the box. It's a nice brown forest thing. This is something that I made when it was before my PNP days. It says mushrooms for the drawing pile, player action order, player action purchase, and player action cooking. So let's put it here. Then there is the restaurant. There are two sides. Oh wait. These were two tiles that I glued together for ease of setup. We played this several times and we found it was too hard because of the random things that occurred. So here you see the tables. A table for 2, a table for 6, table for 4, 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, and 4, 4, 4. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you draw cards and then you activate a row, something like that. These are the stars that you can gain for the restaurants. And I think if you're out of stars, then you lose the game. And here's the intensity track. It's different from bullets, but I think they are for the unhappy mushrooms. You take them off and place them to unhappy customers. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you cannot afford to have everybody unhappy. That is. Then we have the for restaurants. There are not many YouTube playthrough videos for restaurants, so I might as well do one for the road. For restaurant, where the animals of the forest can feast, you and your team have to work together. Oh yeah, you can play with more than one person. You can play multiplayer 1 to 5 persons, I think. Let's see. It doesn't really say how many. Oh yes, it does say. The box, it's a non-standard box, 1 to 5 players. Ages 9 and more, and it takes 45 minutes if you survive. Here's a small overview. So it is from Cogitate Games Limited. It's a Hungarian game company. That is. I ordered this. It costs about 15 euros. I ordered this from Hungary itself, and all in all, it cost me 45 euros for a single box. I could have bought more boxes to make the price go down. So they have, I think, still some copies left, but you're going to pay a lot of money for transporting it. So you have the game board parts, then there are 30 menu cards, 96 animal cards, 12 cloud tokens, they go here, and 40 ingredient tokens and 10 bell tokens. For setting up the game, follow the instructions on the setting the table page. Setting the table page. Setting the table page. Setting the table page. Okay. Place the two halves of the playing board next to each other on the table. Shuffle the animal cards and form a face-down deck on the table. Leave some room for the discarded cards too. Okay. Well, let's first see what's in the box. So these are the animal. This is the animal deck. 96 of them. Can take a look for a few of them. So this is a bear, and this some kind of critter, and the colors mean if they are a predator-prey relation, and if you're setting a predator next to a prey that is already sitting in the on the table, it will give the sitting person animal stress, and stress is not good for your reviews, because you can get, when they have eaten or they are just too stressed out, then they give you a review on Forest Square, some kind of app that the animals use for ranking your restaurants for that experience. And if you gain too many negative reviews, that will cost you your livelihood. So these are the cards. Then we have a Ziploc with the menu items. And the menu items you draw from a pile, and you check if that animal is present on the menu card, and then you flip it open. Or, well, then you place it. So these two, for example, this one's fish, and this one's a potato, and this one's meat, and this one's something else. Something Hungarian, goulash, I think. These guys want eggs and ham. And there is a chicken and a tomato. And okay, so I think it makes sense to shuffle all these together, because all the animals can appear. Because there, I want to introduce a tweak to the game to make it less chaotic. And I bought a set of nicely soft colored drawstring bags from a web shop in England. And they have the thematic colors of Forestaurant. This is a different brand. Let's see what's inside. And this these are the red are the meat things that you can gather when you are gathering food for the clients. So the green things are the vegetables, of course. Let's see. That's some full. Yeah, so you have the potatoes and carrots and all kinds of vegetables. And depending on what clients you serve, you want to grab from the corresponding bag. And these are, I guess, the cloud tokens. Yeah, so these thundercloud things are when just simple tokens. You place them. I could use coin capsules for them, but why? Given that I nearly never play this. Yellow things. What are the yellow things? Yellow things are for the bell things. They are yellow, so it makes sense to use a yellow bag. So I already am impressed by the game. What is this? There is also a Cups and Pups game mode. It's the simplified game mode. I'm not going to use that. What is this? You can house rule. Instead of drawing one card from the deck for event, look at the mushroom and I forgot what I was writing here, but this is for trying to mitigate the chaos in the game. And there's some extra. Oh, this is Andrew Wood, Wood at boardgameextras.co.uk for ordering the thematic bags. I don't get any money from this Andrew guy, but yeah, it's useful to keep that. And that's all. I think there is the German tea restaurant. Not very creative, if you ask. And Alati Eterem, the Hungarian version. So it's in 3 languages.